Yo. 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 I'm here. Okay. I'm here. We are trying to fix two problems. The first problem is... hello. Good evening, everyone. The first problem is... no, it's fine. I can... I can offline. Back in business. Exactly, Ulla. Hello, hello. I'm back in business. We have a problem that some people are using Gorwell form and that spell doesn't end. And that is a problem. So we have to fix Gorwell form. Fix Gorwell form, right? We have to fix that, I mean, for real. I will do a temporary fix at the moment, just reverting back the people race, but we need to... Hello, Mike. Hey, hello, Resildren, hello, Ulla. Hey, nice to have you here, guys. Nice to have you here. So we need somehow to identify all the players that have wrong form and try to change it back. So I need to check character type. Character type equal to 0. At the moment we have 3 people that are all in Gorwell form. Oh, crap. So we have Resildren, Devorn, and Stalfos. Now the problem is, how the hell do I know their original race? Well, I can get it from this backup. Oops. Okay. So their race is 665. 665. So we can update character set race gender ID equal to 6, where I don't know if I want to do name or I want to do ID. Let's do ID, where ID is equal to this. I don't know if we are connected now, but hopefully not. Okay, it's done. So I reverted back these 3 characters. I mean, assuming that you are offline. If you are online, assuming you are offline. If you are online, please disconnect and let me know. Because I have to do it offline. And if you were offline, you can go online now, it should be fine. Well, with only the annoyance that I didn't check. Wait a second. I didn't check if you have the Gorwell form still active on you. Let me select, wait, because maybe you still have the format, what is progression events? Progression script, right? Oh yes, like Devorn still has something. Okay. Devorn still has the script running. Devorn is this. Okay, now also Devorn is correct. And the other 2 were already correct, I guess. No, wait. Someone was connected. Nah, these people are connected. Okay, let me just ask them. Let me just ask them to disconnect, because otherwise I cannot do the change. And they have the spell active. Devon and Stalfos are still wrong. The Sildren is fine. Probably they are online now. Yeah. I mean, Devon doesn't look offline, online, but Stalfos is. So in theory, Devon I should be able to change, but unless he disconnected now. I don't know. I think we have a problem. What the fuck? Is another ID in production? Ah, no, it's another character. Daevorn. Daevaorn. Oh my. Daevaorn. There's another guy. There's another guy. It is race gender ID 11. Unfortunately. Okay. I think only Stalfos is missing, but Stalfos should disconnect, otherwise... Meanwhile, what I was trying to do, I was trying to... Wow, this was the first attack. I remember this picture. The first time I implemented attacks, they were working properly. This guy's not handling. I can kick him off, but we can just fix it later. Yeah, he's in Gorwell form, yeah. permanent Gorwell form actually. Okay. So what we want to understand is why, I mean, why certain races have the wrong idea, have the wrong traits, right? So I was thinking that maybe one thing we could do, we could just roll back everything to the only problem of rolling back that I have first to check in whatever I did, right? Because yeah, for example, I fixed this, right? For example, I fixed this. So this texture, because I also did some changes, that's the problem. No, apart from the maps, but the maps I didn't really touch, but okay, that is the test that we did, right? Yeah, and this is the one I have to check in, which is the fact that if a transport is not owned, okay. So this one we can check in as well. And the rest we can revert. Show transport icon only if not NPC owned. Okay. So at this point, I think we can revert everything or no? I think we can. Should I reconnect now? Yeah, the Siltran, you are good to go. You can reconnect. You can reconnect, yes. You should be good to go. Yeah, Gorwell form we have to fix as well. There is a character BP, all the maps. What is the difference here? Yeah, this one I want to save for sure. This one I want to save. Updates. Can I type updates? Thank you. Okay, apart from this, I think we can revert everything. Hopefully. I mean, I'm not 100% sure, but I think we can revert everything. Yeah. Well, shipping client is not relevant. And then, you know what we do? We go back to the... I don't know if I want to go back before the morph change. But basically there is a moment, right? Where we actually messed up this thing. And I'm trying to understand where that moment is, right? I think it could be when I did the morph changes. Fixed morph to change texture to properly. That was the 26th of September, right? That was the 26th of September. So if we want to try, we can go like the 6th of September, right? So we could update everything to that revision. Still morphed in game. Really? How is it possible? You are still morphed in game? That's very, very strange, but let me check again. You are morphed to what? You are morphed to a Gorwell? That's impossible. Wait a second. You're still morphed? Wait, which character? Resildren? You are race number 6. What is race number 6? Race number 6 is the Dermorian male. What the fuck? Hey, you are set as the Dermorian male. Okay, just a second. IT. You are this guy. You are this guy. I think I understand. Wait. I think I understand the mistake I made. Okay. Now everything is... Can you disconnect a second? There is still the... You have a bunch of stuff on you. Why you have this weird stuff? Skill names word value minus 123. What the hell? Probably the... But anyway, I will just clean it up. I will just clean it up. Tell me if you disconnected. I'm off, okay. Okay, reconnect now. Well, no, wait a second, because I have to check the race as usual. Wait a second, because when you disconnect, the character gets saved. Okay. Okay. Try to reconnect now. I don't know why there is this thing, but I think I should do another search. The search I did is not really correct. Is partial. So what should I do? I should search where like Gorwell form, right? So I think that's the easiest. Yeah, exactly. So at the moment, no one has that activated. Okay, I will rebuild. Anyway, we got the version 6th of September. Now, unfortunately, the database may not be compatible, so we will see what happens. But I'm recompiling the version of 6 September, and we want to see if we have any discrepancy. You're welcome, no problem. We also have to work on the miniatures. We have to work on the miniatures. Sorry, just crashed the game. Okay, it happens. The server went down. Not a lot of people are using Gorwell form, but yeah, I assume that maybe some are, so we have to Okay, we recompiled, so let's see if this thing works or not. Let's see. Your version of the game is old and cannot be updated. Well, interesting. Yes, because it's thinking that is the wrong version. Well, what we can do. We can force it. Can we? Yeah, we can, obviously. We can force this guy to think that is 0752, even if it's only 0751. Now that check actually should be, but it's fine. Actually loaded, which is interesting. So what we should do? We should see if Amel, assuming that is loaded, huh? Obviously not. Obviously not. That would have been too easy, huh? That would have been too easy. Ah, because we don't have this line. Ah, okay. Well. Ah, okay. That's fine. That's fine. That is absolutely okay. Yeah, because Amel was not loaded. I ate the 20 euro pizza. It was very nice, but I don't know if... I don't know if it was worth it at the end. I mean, it was nice, but...
I will find a way to set things right.
Hopefully. Hopefully we will. Maybe yes, maybe not. Maybe yes, maybe not. Now is the moment of truth. Oh shit. So yes, in the last release, Amel was working properly. And the bird is there. Okay. So now the problem is to identify when we broke it, right? When we broke it, because it is working fine. Here is working fine. This is the release of 20 of September or something like that. Yep. Okay, so the good news is that we can actually move between release time without breaking anything, which is nice. So I loaded in the September 6th, release, right? And everything works. So on September 26, 20 days later, I did a kind of a big check-in, which includes fixes for Morph. Oh my god, and 1 million files. Okay, let's just get that version and see if that version broke. That is the beauty of having Subversion, right? Even if I'm like a solo dev, but will not be possible otherwise. Okay, let's recompile the 26th of September. Hopefully this is the check-in, the break stuff. The problem with this check-in is that it's a very big check-in, very big. We changed the 92 files. Wow. We changed 92 files. Hopefully it is later. Hopefully. But I think it will be this one, actually. I think it will be this one. Okay, so we are recompiling and we will test. Meanwhile, hello everyone, thank you for joining. Welcome. If you have any questions on the game or any question on Real Engine, whatever you want to ask, go on and ask. I'm streaming also to interact with you guys. I'm here for you. Well, maybe that's too much, but but yeah. Waiting the recompile to finish. Okay. Done. I was reading some news meanwhile. Do we have our guy? Yes, this is our guy, I think. Bam. Oops, it's not starting. Let's see. Pam para pam pa pa pam para pam pa pa pam para pam 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 pam. Why we don't have the other window? Huh? The server didn't start. So it probably means that the database is not compatible at this point. Let me understand that. The server didn't... error in random event script number 6. Gameball KA does not exist. What? I didn't change the database, so random event script 6. Random event script 6. You know what? We can temporarily remove it and let's remove this KA 1 second so that we don't have this problem, because at the moment I don't want to spend time, you know, debugging other stuff. So let's just leave it. Let's just leave it as it is.
You expect me to believe that? Nah,
Nah.
I don't think so.
Nah. Maybe not. Nah. Well, I mean, it may be this, but it may also not be. The only thing we want to see if Hamel has a beard in this version or not. And probably it will not have, which is good on one side but bad on the other. I mean, it's good because we found out the commit that breaks the beard, but on the other side we have a commit which is very big. There are like 92 files, and it will not be super easy to debug, right? So, but I mean, to compare and see what is wrong. And but let's see. I'm pretty sure it's this one, by the way, but let's see. Will he have a beard or not? It doesn't. As expected. Okay, so this is the commit. So that between the 6th of September and the 26th of September, we actually broke this thing, right? We broke it. So now the question is, which one is the file that broke that? And the only way to know, I mean, it's definitely not the cards, right? I don't think so. Every file. I mean, obviously this cannot be, right? Nah, this cannot be. There's a lot of change. There are a lot of changes here, but these changes are all about the movement, right? These are all the movement for the card, including an encumbrance. Yeah, but I think it is probably very, very, very unlikely. I would say 0 chance, right? This is the update max walk speed. And is the movement setting, so I think that this also has 0 chance to be the problem. This one no, this one no, this one no. Okay, let me see this one. This is when we add the repopulate items by sector, but yeah, also this one has 0 chance to be. Controller base. This one as requests. These are all the transport changes, bind actions, bind complete forward back forward. I don't even remember what this is, but fine. But it's not. Now, character CPP can definitely be. Character CPP could be our, so on movement changed, I would say no. Is transport attached? I would say no. Now. I'm starting to remember something here. So this is during the, so this is a change we did on the loading or on what? On the on change overrideable race. Yeah, it can be this change actually. On the on change overrideable race. Because here what I did, right? I added but I think that this function is called also on initial loading.
What is this? Spaghetti code?
I don't see any spaghetti here. Widget is now an Enkidukai? Why? Did you set it or did I set it? I don't know. I didn't change it. So did you morph into an Enkidukai? And I mean, remember that morph is permanent now, right? Unless you morph back. So maybe the last time you morphed, you were an Enkidukai? So it can definitely be this part. We could roll back just that and see. I think it is very likely, by the way. And there is something. This is a change that I did to fix
those methods, pure invention.
Morph.
Only work in legends and fables.
Could be. Hello to cats yelling. I don't think I did it. I don't normally use morph on widget. Oh, I don't think I changed it then. Yeah, it could be widget. I don't think I changed. I touched your character. Hello, hello. You want some spaghetti carbonara? Do you say spaghetti or spaghetti? It is a very important question. Let's see which other files we changed. We changed Discovery Manager, but obviously this one cannot be. No, I think that's the change, by the way. I think that's the change that breaks everything. I think that's the change that breaks everything. Because basically here what we are doing, we are resetting the race info. And this was the only way I found to actually replicate properly the morph. Okay, so let's try to revert also only this one, right? So if I take, what is it? PS character now. PS character. Did we add any functions here? No, we didn't add anything, right? Yes, we added stuff, obviously. So I guess what I can do, I can do this. 26th of September. Are we on 26th of September now, or what? I think we are, right? We are on 26th of September. So if I take the current version, so if I do this, right? So I get a working copy versus the previous. Come on. What happened? Now Subversion is down. I don't understand what is going on. Can I please get the 26th of September versus no, but only for only for PS character, right? Okay, let me do this. We go so I'm on the other screen. I'm on the other screen. Yes, this guy is missing the beard. PS Unreal server. No, bulk object client PS character. Okay. So we take this, we do show log, okay, which is 26th of September with the previous one, right? So we compare this with the working copy. Okay. Okay, and this is the change, right? Ah, what? Wait. Yes, this is the change. So, and we will, you know what is the weird stuff? Is that here we are setting the mesh, but we are not. So it's one of these lines that is messing up, right? I think we can also do it PS character CPP. PS character CPP. Okay, so let's just remove this for a second. Okay, let's remove this for a second. And let's recompile and let's see if the beard is magically appearing. And probably the answer is yes. And then it's starting to be a bit late, so probably I will have to go, but... Spaghetti or spaghetti? Spaghetti or spaghetti? Spaghetti is number 1. Spaghetti is number 2. Spaghetti or spaghetti? Basically the G is hard or smooth. Spaghetti number 1. Spaghetti number 2. Do you say 1 or 2? Ah, smooth G, huh? Correct. Correct. So now you are a true Italian. You said nuilla. Yeah, the second one is correct. Getting ready to be banned, yes, because if you pronounce the pasta wrong, then you're gone. Gone. Bam 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 bara bam bam bam. Para para pa pam. Para ba bam bam. Sorry, 1 second. 1 second. Yeah, pizza with pineapples is like very, very bad. Do you have Domino's over here? No, in Italy, luckily, I mean, there are very few chains, right? Well, there are, unfortunately, but you still have, you know, the local places, right, where you go. So not everything is like in the US. Yeah, you see. So that broke the shit. Okay, so these 3 lines. Okay, we found out what is breaking everything, right? These 3 lines are breaking everything. Now, we may restrict it even more, and we may see which one of these 3 lines, right? Because what we do here, we reset the race info, and I think that is what is messing up, probably. That is probably what is messing up, because when I do this, what happens? When I do this, well, I'm not doing much here. I don't think it's this line. It may be this line. Race mesh morphed. It is replicated. Okay, let's try to remove. Let's try to remove only this line. This thing is doing a lot of stuff. I think this is doing the mess. Okay, let me remove this 2 line. Okay, let's go one by one. We remove this 2 line, we leave only this one. I think this one will be harmless, but let's see. I think this one will be harmless. Will do no harm. Pineapple. Yeah, pineapple is ananas, Hula, in English. Ananas is only me and you saying that, but in English is pineapple. 6 blocks away. How about pepperoni and pineapple pizza? First of all, pepperoni is a vegetable. What time is it? Is 1:42. Yes, super late. I have to go to bed. But it's Sunday. It's Saturday, you know. So tomorrow is Sunday. It's easy. But yeah, it would be better for my sleeping schedule to go to bed. Yeah. First of all, pepperoni is a vegetable, and that is very important for you to know. Pepperoni. While for you, pepperoni is meat. which is completely wrong. Completely wrong. You basically took an Italian word and you gave it another meaning. No, not because English is weird, because American people are weird. I mean, for language, you took some words and you just decided they were something else. Pepperoni. I mean, because it's derived from pepper for you, right? It's because it's derived from pepper. So the root of the word for you is pepper. But in fact in Italian is pepperoni with one pepperoni. But it's the same because pepe. So there is a pepperone, there is pepperone, you know, there is pepperone, you see, it's a vegetable, you see, there is pepperone, but pepperoni, you associate to salame pepperoni, and so there is pepperoni for you. So when you go in US and you ask a pepperoni pizza, you get this, but if you go in Italy and you ask a pepperoni pizza, you get this, you know. So I mean, it's a bit of a mess. That was not easy. Okay, so as expected, the first line is not making a difference, right? Okay, I think we can pause here because we basically have it, right? These two lines are the ones that are messing up. And I actually did this only to fix the morph. But fixing the morph, I fucked up the normal... I messed up the normal race change, right? And unfortunately this one is called also on initial loading, which is bad. So I can comment this out, right? And we break the morph again. So I think morph is a problem, you know. Good to know. Yeah, exactly. Okay, guys, it's a bit late for me. I think I will go to bed, but I will try tomorrow to stream a bit more because today we didn't. But it's good that we identified exactly the problem, right? Now, we don't have a solution yet because we don't know how to change it so that both the initial loading and the morph work properly. But we will find a way tomorrow. Tomorrow... we will find a way. Yeah, I'm falling asleep. Have a good night, guys. I will see you tomorrow around 4 p.m. But maybe I will stream earlier, right? Maybe I will do a longer stream tomorrow. I don't know. I want to do some bug fixing and other stuff, and yeah. So me and Hamil say bye-bye to you. And I will see you tomorrow. Meanwhile, if you want to click follow on Twitch and subscribe on YouTube, remember that's always a good idea. And yeah, and also if you want to download our game, apart from the pepperoni game, if you want to download our game, you can go to our website, download now, and you can play it for Windows, Linux, and Mac. Incredible, huh? Also on Mac. Yes, we run also on Mac. Insane. Have a good night. Bye-bye.